So we will set up a limited company step by step. On this page, we will go further. We will check if the setting for the limited company is completed. So you will select the choose directors, decide who are the shareholders, identify people who will take over the control, prepare documents agreeing how to run your company, check what records you need to keep, and then you will click on the register your company. So this is the simple process you will follow. So you can check the rules as well on the home office website, that how you will open the company. You must need to know your code, SIC code, which we known as, and you can find the SIC code, how, like which company code you need. For example, if you wanted to open a cleaning company, that's got a different code. Every company has a different code. So to use this company, so if you wanted to register this, use this service to register your company with the company's house. You will register the corporation tax at the same time. So what documents we need, we will discuss that. So you must have your three details: that's town of birth, mother maiden name, father first name, telephone number, national insurance number, passport number. So any of these three things, if you have, then you can open the company. It will cost you £12 to open the company, and it will take roughly 24 hours to open a company. Very simple, straightforward. So let's click on the register now. So for register now, you must register for payee to tell HMRC staffing and all that. Okay, so let's click register now. Reject this, hide cookies. Okay, are you starting a new application? Yes, we are starting a new application. Continue. Check before you start. We are going to ask some questions. Show whether you can use this service to register a limited company, set up a corporation tax, take you to another service if you are not eligible. So continue to questions. We will go further. Are you able to pay for the application using a card or PayPal? Yes, we can pay that. We can do that. Any directors or person with significant control on company house secure register? Yes. So basically, the secure register is a victim of threatening a behavior or violence who cannot risk have their home address to be shared into the public register. So technically, the answer is no. Are any directors or person with significant control on the company's house secure registered? No. So we'll select that. Continue. You will now create a government gateway user ID for this company. So let's create that. So okay, so they will send me an email on my email address, and the code will expire in 30 minutes. I got the code. I'll put that in. So now you need to enter your details: nationality British, job title. So we can select the job title. I wanted to select managing director because that's what I'm opening the company for. You need to mention your date of birth. I have put that, I have hidden most of the things, so just to keep this thing safe. Okay, what is the correspondence address? So the correspondence address, okay, so that will be the address where you will get the documents, where all the papers will come. Check and confirm the director details. Okay, I'll put the director's details. I have hidden all these details just so, like, I'm just inserting them in, but I just wanted to hide them. So you need to provide your date of birth, nationality, and your name and everything. Okay, confirm your director lives. So you confirm where the director is. Agree to become a director. The subscriber confirm that the person named is act as a director. Okay, now you are about to set up online filling authorization for the company. Okay, so let's fill up that. You can digitally authorize director to file information online with company's house when you incorporate a company. This means director can instantly file most information online as soon as the company is incorporated without entering an authentication code. Normally you get an authentication code on your at your home address, and that's how you do that. So digital authorization is quick, paperless, and secure. You will send a security code to your mobile number, email address each time when you sign into web filling to file online for the company. Okay, when you need an authentication code to file. Okay, that's fine, I got that, so that's all done. So do you want the director to be digitally authorized to file online for the company? Yes, that's fine, we can do that. Does director have existing house of web filling account? No. Okay. Which email address does not have to create the web filling your account? Okay. So we will basically, the email address they are asking if you want to send all the details to this email address. You're about to set up a company shareholder. So we'll ask you, tell us how who the company shareholders are, tell us how many shares you want to give them, choose the value of each share, confirm the shareholders and share you have created. Okay, so we have one director. So I'm creating a company for just one director. So technically, there is only one director, one shareholder. So do you want to use the most common type of share? Yeah. So you have two different types of shares. So one is shareholder will have the rights, one vote per share company decision, receiving a share of profit as a dividend, receive a share of capital. That's fine. So we wanted to do the most common type of share, which is also known as ordinary shares. Most companies use ordinary shares. Okay. How many shares does the owner own? So we have opened we have only one person, so that's fine. So only 100% share we talk about basically. So it's one share or 100%. It's the same thing because there is only one director. So let's do that. So receive company profit through dividend, vote on important company issues like choosing director. Okay, so if there is only one director, so I'm assuming there is only one. You don't need to put like you can put 100 or you can put one. It's the same thing. Okay, choose value of each share. I'll put £1. So that's a basic. You can put minimum. Um, okay, now check and confirm shareholders and the shareholders share value. The company has total 100 ordinary shares. The total value is 100 British pounds. That's fine. So we have selected 100 shares, 100 British pounds. That will make sense. We are about to set up the person with the significant control over the company. Okay, that's fine. So we will do that. What is this person with significant control? A significant person, a person is an individual or a company that has at least one of the following: more than 25% of the company shares, the right to appoint directors. So only one person is there. From your previous answer, we know that that person is company significant control. Check and confirm details of the person in control for this company limited. Okay. Now, model article of association. Okay. So what's that? So this is the article of association that this company we are creating. Directors will have this responsibility and all that. Do you want to use model articles? Yes. So that should be fine because if you do not use model articles, you will have to write and upload your own article. You will need to ensure they comply with law otherwise. So it's better to use the model article of association. Okay. So let's do that because otherwise it will be rejected. So we'll select yes, save, and continue. I confirm that the person here agreed to form the company state in the memorandum of association in accordance with the law. So this is how you form a company, and it's pretty straightforward. It didn't took long, and you just need to pay £12 for it. If you wanted to know more about this, feel free to ask me any question, and I'll get back to you.